No star. Boy. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. When will it end? When will it finish? When will it be over? Since the year start of 2020, today is the 1st of February while I'm doing this video. Yesterday was the last day, 31st. And yesterday is when they discovered the little youth who was missing from Wednesday. And on Friday, them discover the body of this youth in a river. Them say him sweat a tie around him face and thing. People suspected to be that he was murdered in Stonehill in St. Andrew, Jamaica. He is 11 years old, people. Get me? 11 years old. Nice little young man. The guardians we was staying with, so the last time they saw this young man, he was in his uniform and leave for school. Shall return from school, they never see him return. The police reported that it up to sometime after 10 in the night when the parents do make the report of this young man being missing. They conduct their search from Thursday. Unfortunately, they never find him. They go back on Friday, and that's where they discovered the body of this young man in the river up in Stonehill. It's really sad and it's really terrible to know how mankind art has become so cruel and vicious against the elders in Jamaica, against the young people, against everybody. You know what I mean? And I just don't know, because people in the community spoke and they are saying they don't see the reason or know what this young man could have done. Nobody for him to be brutally slain or murdered by anyone. They don't know because he's 11 years old. He's a young man who they know always in school, going to school, doing his work. Not a troublesome young man who you're that's saying a something, you know what I mean? And he's 11 years old. And what would have caused him to be murdered and dumped in a river or something like that. But all I'm saying now, people, in Jamaica, we have some people who are really crazy. Their head not good, them head sick. And the demons is out there. And not just saying in Jamaica, this demons is all over the place. In most of our Caribbean regions, it's like we have some ancestors, demons, who rise up. Not because through them tell us and say, oh, you know, we are all Africans. We are coming from Africa. We were a slave, but we did have some wicked one too, you know, people. Not all of us ancestors was good. So I'm wondering if some ancestor demons rise up in a them manner with the devil and start turn up back them inside and stir them up, make them have to do some brutal things. You know what I mean? And I rate life, these people. We see where Jamaica has recorded so much cruel murders and cruelty since the beginning of the year, in the first month of the year, which is January that just passed. And now we are looking at a part of going forward, people. And what we shall expect in February, gonna be worse, right? That's my expectations. And the talk where many people has been saying it's leap year, so we're gonna expect plenty of people for dead, which it should not be like that. Because there are means and ways of preventing this thing from happening, and we have to deal with things. For years now we've been coming out where we see how much murders. Just check up the last 10 years to come by and see how much murders have been committed in Jamaica. So it's a way of life where we have our citizens' life out there at risk, where they easily can be murdered, and we have nothing set up where we can try to prevent this from happening, even get a stronger forces against criminals who really commit some cruel act like this, even an act where they murder an 11-year-old boy. It's not the first time we see a little child get brutally slain up in St. Andrew there, you know what I mean? Just the other day again, people remember, you know, they found the body of the 10-year-old where that was murdered brutally same way by with choke bus and something by his stepdaddy and thing. You know what I mean? And in a rate where now the news reached NEWLINK that the stepdaddy is in police custody. The next news where the 11 and the 13-year-old girl was chopped up by the other man, the raper man, the people. And now 11-year-old boy up in a Stonehill now, people. And now we are going to sit aside and allow these people to keep on doing this thing. They caught them, go prison, maybe do 10, 13 years. Then they come back a road and something, people. You understand? Living back free and people lose their loved ones' life gone like that, at such a young age. Come on, man. You see me I do that video, people, honestly, because this is a really serious thing. I'm not even blasting or reacting certain way in this video. It's just to tell her the pain I'm feeling right now. And I just want to just keep it calm, you know what I mean, and just pour it out. Because it seems like when I behave aggressive in certain way in my videos, like the people, the government now see it. And so I'm kind of doing this video in a different format because I really want this message to go to Mr. Andrew. Mr. Andrew, I don't know what. I see that you're trying, it's soon election time again, you understand? And I know you're going to win back the win election coming again. I know that for sure. You understand? I think what you need to do, you have to start, get serious with this thing now and implement it. That's something. The chair or the rope, it's out of hand now. And I think you really need to go in the drawing board, get the books, get the paper with the team and revise this. It's getting out of hand now. It should be nowhere where a man take the life of a 11-year-old and I go prison, go eat food, then I go tell him, say, yo, he can go study class, this so, he can go play football over this so, he can go there and cook big pot of noodle and something. You understand? When I have how much innocent people in behind bars and these cruel nigger are going to be there amongst them. The peoples who need for their road, them not their road. But these cruel-hearted, wicked people who killing off like children in Jamaica, only thing them are going to do right now, what them are going to do? Because they have taxpayers' money. It's real, realistic. We don't know anything of viewers and subscribers. Them create a system where they create them system, you know. But there will be another story on that when we talk about the system that they create. You don't know people. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. I just want to send my deepest condolences to the family of this 11-year-old young man. You understand? May his soul rest in peace. Them cruel harsh, but don't know people. Peace out. Attack them NEWLINK so that. Remember to follow us on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official. Follow us on Facebook, NEWLINK Production, and please like the Facebook page and follow it. You understand? Please do follow me on Facebook. Please. I beg you know. And you remember to check back the notification, the bell icon thing that you tap. And please click on all notifications there because there will be 3 options there. So click on all notifications. So when you drop the video, you'll get them. Enough love, people. Enough respect. And thanks to everyone who has been watching us, who is sharing our video, who are liking our stuff. You understand? And who is really pushing NEWLINK to go forward out there. Enough love, man. And big up to all the Caribbean countries, them in the USA, Canada, England, you know what I mean, in Africa, in Europe, all of them places to big up on the self-CM speed. I don't know. You understand? The whole Trinidad NEWLINK love on the Bahamas 242. Please be safe in the Bahamas. You love on the respect on the same way. You understand? The whole Cayman Islands, big up on the self, St. Kitts and Nevis, you don't know, Aruba, St. Lucia, yeah man, big up, you don't know the thing, Antigua, Angola, you don't know the whole Trinidad and Tobago, our place said we, you don't know the whole Turks and Caicos, much love, much respect from Grand Turk, Providencia, it's all over the place, man, South Caicos, North Caicos, South Caicos, West Caicos, everywhere. Make it Caicos, big up on yourself, and the whole Jamaica, one love, one respect. Big up my friends them in a Brownstown, St. Anne, you don't know, so now again you link a shout out, same way. The whole Kingston family, Clarendon family, massive, Portlanders, big up on yourself. All Ocho family, you don't know the thing. Mobile, our place, big up on yourself. Straight up, don't know. The whole Hanover, Santa Cruz, Manchester, don't know. Unaga, Clarendon, Kingston. We got St. Catherine, the whole works, man. St. Thomas, our place. Portlanders, don't know the thing, man. Attack them, and the whole Chilania, Hanover family. Westmoreland family, don't know. One link, now we say attack. St. Mary, our place. We never forgot, you know. Please out. Enough love. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Out.